Welcome to Ethiopian Joy. የሐሳብ ምግብ Food for thought. Promise yourself. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. To talk health, happiness, and prosperity to every person you meet. To make all your friends feel that there is something in them. To look at the sunny side of everything and make your optimism come true. To think only of the best, to work only for the best, and expect only the best. To be just as enthusiastic about the success of others as you are about your own. To forget the mistakes of the past and press on to the greater achievements of the future. To wear a cheerful countenance at all times and give every living creature you meet a smile. To give so much time to the improvement of yourself that you have no time to criticize others. To be too large for worry, too noble for anger, too strong for fear, and too happy to permit the presence of trouble. Christian de Larson. ለራስህ ቃል ግባ። ምንም ነገር የአእምሮ ሰላምህን እንዳይረብሽህ ቃል ግባ። ለምታገኘው ሰው ሁሉ ጤንነትን፣ ደስታን፣ ሀብት ማግኘትን አካፍል። ሁሉንም ጓደኞችን በራሳቸው እንዲተማመኑ አድርግ። ሁልጊዜም የሁሉም ነገር ፀሐያማ ጎን ብሩህ ተስፋ ይኑርህ። ጥሩ ማሰብና ጥሩ መስራት፣ ጥሩ ነገሮችን መጠበቅ፣ ለሌሎች ማሳካት፣ ያለህን ምኞት ለራስህ እንደ መሳካት ቁጠረው። ያለፈውን ስህተት መርሳት እና የወደፊቱን ስኬት በጥሞና አስተውል። ገጽህ ፈገግ ያለ እንዲሁም ለምታገኘው ሰው ሁሉ ፈገግታ ይኑርህ። ራስን ለማሻሻል ጥረት ማድረግ እና ሌሎችን ከመንቀፍ ራቅ። ለጭንቀት ከፍ ያልክ፣ ለንዴት ክቡር የሆንክ፣ ለፍርሃት የጠነከርክ፣ በጣም ደስታ ካለህ ችግርን ላለመቀበል ይረዳሃል።